Hello. In this video, we will show you how to sign up for Facebook using a temporary phone number from MobileSMS.io. Let's go to facebook.com and click on Create New Account. Fill out the form with your information. For your phone number, go to MobileSMS.io, choose the country, and for service, choose Facebook. When done, click Sign Up. Facebook will then send the verification code to your number. You can get this from MobileSMS.io. Hit Continue. Congratulations, you have created your new Facebook account. Next, I want to show you is how to remove your temporary number and use a third-party authentication app, like Google Authenticator, and use it to log into your Facebook account. First, you want to go to Settings. And then Security and Log In. Under Two-Factor Authentication, click Use Two-Factor Authentication. Select Authentication App and enter your password again. You will now be prompted to set up a third-party authenticator. Here, we are going to use Google Authenticator. This is a great solution for those who don't want to use their personal phone number or want to create multiple Facebook accounts. MobileSMS.io, you can easily get a temporary phone number that can receive SMS verification codes from Facebook. Thanks for watching.